Hi guys! Welcome back to Unfolding Kate. First of all, thank you for staying. If you've been here since episode 1, thank you for growing with me. Every episode that I upload, hindi lang kayo ang may natututunan. Ako rin. Kasi every time I sit down in front of this camera, I get to reflect on my own life. And honestly, I think that's one of the reasons why I started this channel. Hindi dahil gusto kong magbigay ng advice, hindi dahil feeling ko alam ko na lahat, but because I wanted to understand myself better. And maybe, along the way, may mga taong makakasabay kong mag-heal. Today's episode is about self-worth. And I want to start with a question. Have you ever chased someone kahit alam mong unti-unti ka nang nawawala? Lalim, di ba? Hindi lang ito tungkol sa love. Pwede itong mangyari sa friendships, family, sa work, sa kahit anong relationship na ikaw na lang ang lumalaban. Ang lalim. At yun nga, based on my experience, isa ito sa pinakamahirap aminin sa sarili. Kasi kapag mahal mo ang isang tao, kapag importante siya sa'yo, you don't notice that you're already overextending yourself. Akala mo kasi, kapag mas umintindi ka, maybe they'll stay. Kapag mas nag-adjust ka, maybe they'll choose you. Kapag mas minahal mo sila, maybe one day, they'll finally see your worth. But life doesn't always work that way. Yes. At alam nyo, ito yung realization na medyo masakit. You cannot convince someone to value you, no matter how kind you are, no matter how patient you become, how love you give. Kung hindi nila kayang makita yung value mo, hindi ibig sabihin nun wala kang value. It simply means, hindi sila yung taong makakakita nun. Hindi sila yung para sa'yo. And that's okay. Hindi ko alam kung kayo rin, pero dumating ako sa point ng buhay ko na parang feeling ko I had to earn love, earn respect. I had to prove na worth it akong piliin. Until one day, napagod na lang ako. And when I got tired, doon nagsimula yung pinakamahalagang conversation ko, hindi sa ibang tao, kundi sa sarili ko. I ask myself, Kate, bakit mo hinahabol ang mga taong hindi ka naman pinipili? Umiyak ako noon. Ang sagot, hindi pala tungkol sa kanila. Tungkol pala sa akin. Because deep inside, may part pala sa akin na hindi pa rin naniniwalang enough ako. And that was a painful realization. Again, I'm sharing this because this is part of my journey. Marami akong naging pagkakamali. Marami akong decisions na if I could go back, maybe I would do differently. May mga pagkakataon din na umabot ako sa sitwasyon na hindi ko inakalang mapupuntahan ko. Balang araw, paghanda na ako, ikukwento ko sa inyo yun. I-share ko sa inyo. But not today. Today, I just want to share what I learned from it. At alam nyo kung ano yung isa sa pinakamalaking gift na natanggap ko this year? Hindi siya pera. Hindi trabaho. Hindi bagong opportunity. Mga kaibigan. Real friends. Yung mga taong hindi ako kinukonsente. Hindi nila sinabi sa akin yung gusto kong marinig. Sinabi nila yung kailangan kong marinig. Kahit masaktan ako. Kahit madurog ako. Sinabi nila yung kailangan kong marinig. And looking back, I think God placed those people in my life for a reason. Because when I couldn't see my own worth, they reminded me. When I was questioning my value, they saw it before I did. And I will always be grateful for that. Kaya kung may message man akong gustong iwan sa inyo today, ito yon. Please, choose people who remind you of your worth. Hindi yung mga taong kailangan mo pang kumbinsihin na mahalin ka. Hindi yung mga taong kailangan mong habulin para mapansin ka. Choose people who make you feel safe enough to become yourself. Because that's what real love looks like. Not confusion, not chasing, not constantly proving your value. And maybe, if you're watching this today, and you feel like you're losing yourself, trying to keep someone, this is your reminder. Stop. Take a deep breath. Come back to yourself. Because your worth was never meant to be decided by someone else's ability to see it. Again, I'm still learning. I'm still healing. I'm still growing. And maybe that's what this channel is all about. Not pretending that life is perfect, but choosing to become a better person. One chapter at a time. So ayun, if somehow this chapter found you today, thank you for staying. So again, I'm Kate, and this is Unfolding Kate. See you in the next chapter. Bye!